get a free Ronald McDonald! You get to hang out with Ronald all day, all night. You're gonna have so much McFlippity-flappity fun with McFlippity-flappity Ron. He'll do your dishes, drive to school. He'll even bathe your kids.
Go ahead, kids, I won't bathe.
Hey, Billy, what do you think of Ron?
Ronald is so much fun!
Breakfast! Lunch! And tea!
Yes! Oh my God!
What's in there, Billy? Is that Hungry Jack's, Billy?
They say the burgers are better at Hungry.
Come on! Sorry. Ron, this isn't a part of the script. No, remember Hungry Jack's been part of the script!
Yes! Oh my God!
Run. Shh.